Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CoinTracking app for crypto reports and capital gains, full guide step by step clearly. To install the CoinTracking app for crypto reports and capital gains, begin by opening your device's App Store. For Android users, this means navigating to the Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS device, head to the App Store. In the search bar, type CoinTracking and hit enter. Locate the official CoinTracking app from the search results. Make sure it is developed by CoinTracking GmbH. Tap on the app to open its details page. On this page, you will see an install button. Click on the install button to begin the downloading process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the CoinTracking app icon on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. If you already have a CoinTracking account, tap on Login. For new users, select Sign Up to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. Confirm your email by checking your inbox for a verification link. Once verified, return to the app and log in with your new credentials. Familiarize yourself with the app interface. Explore features such as add transactions and generate reports. To ensure proper tracking, connect your exchange accounts if necessary. You can manage your portfolio and view capital gains easily through the app. Make sure to keep the app updated for optimal performance. Regularly check for updates in your App Store. Now you are ready to monitor your crypto investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.